Hello guys, my name is Ike, and in this series we'll dive into creating interactive charts for your web applications with Chart.js. If you're looking to enhance your data visualization skills, you're in the right place. In this first video, we'll start by setting up our project. We'll use Next.js as our framework to build a modern server-rendered React application. This will give us a robust foundation for integrating Chart.js. The GitHub link containing the full code for the Chart.js series is in the description below. Let's begin by installing Next.js. Open your terminal and run the following command: npx create next app, and then we'll name it Next.js. This command will set up a new Next.js project. Then it will give us some options to choose from. Apart from TypeScript and source directory, I will be making use of the rest. If you want to make use of VS Code, you can cd into your working directory and then type code dot. Now, let's open and explore the project structure. We have the app directory, which is where our routes are defined. Inside it, we have our page.js. Let's replace the main element with a div container. Also, remove the image import since we won't be using it. We will give the div a class name of container. We have also our globals.css with default CSS, which we'll have to remove, leaving only the tailwind setup. Let's write a small style which will help arrange our charts in page.js. We will give the divs wrapping our charts component a margin bottom of 9 rem to give adequate space between them. We will create our chart component in a moment. To integrate Chart.js into our project, we need to install it. In your terminal, run npm install chart.js. This installs the Chart.js library. Now, let's create our first chart component. First, we'll create a directory in our app directory and name it components. Inside the components directory, create a new file and call it barcharts.js. Now let's write the basic structure for our chart component. And then import it into our page.js. I'll wrap it in a div so that the CSS we wrote initially will take effect. So that's it for setting up our project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. In the next video, we'll build our first bar chart with Chart.js. Stay tuned for more exciting charting adventures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.